The ReNew Biomedical Training Academy is well underway. As of 2021, ReNew has produced its first generation of biomedical technicians. ReNew Biomedical has been maintaining and repairing life-saving medical equipment since 2014. ReNew is determined to keep the already stretched thin nurses, doctors, and first responders equipped for whatever comes next. Now, they are committed to training new technicians to meet the medical field's ever-growing demands for equipment repair and service. The ReNew Biomedical Training Academy is an official partner with AMI and the Federal Department of Labor to certify CABTs and CBETs. AMI supports healthcare technology managers and is the institute that sets the standard for credentials in the biomedical technician field. These technicians are guided by seasoned professionals in their field, both in the classroom and side by side at the workbench. People from all walks of life have joined the academy. From military veterans to high school and college graduates, every skill set brings something unique to the biomedical technician role each individual fills. Want to be a part of the next generation of biomedical technicians? Consider applying for the program at www.renewbiomedical.com/trainingacademy.